short video of me trout fishing on my local creek. I started throwing one of my homemade spinners and it wasn't working. Then I threw a silver two-panta martin and I didn't catch anything on that. And I was trying to throw a challenge bait, which is going to be my next video. And they weren't hitting that either. And then I switched to a rainbow trout blue fox, vibrant blue fox, which is like a panther martin. And I finally got some action. And this day was miserable, but I needed to cure my not catching fish syndrome on Wednesday. But unfortunately, there was snow and like a really heavy wind, and there was a blizzard. And I had a fun time outside though. And I walked a long ways up the creek.
Better make sure it's on this other camera too. It's been a very slow night. This is the first fish we caught after about an hour of fishing. I've only had 2 bites. I just changed to this rainbow trout blue fox and I got this beautiful brownie wownie in the blizzard. This feels decent. Now there's a nicer wild brown, like a 14-incher. Let it go. So we're done blizzard trout fishing for our April blizzard. We got some nice snow, nice and white. It was a tough bite. We managed to get 2. Not fast and furious though. The 2 we got were decent, but way fewer bites than last time. At least we got our fish, some fish, cured our not catching fish syndrome. That's what matters, and it was a fun adventure in the wind warning and 33-degree weather. So all in all, a good episode, but a tough bite. And I caught him on the rainbow blue fox.